You have to change your money story that you have in your head.
Oh, thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Look, I know that you want a better life for yourself. That's why you're watching the video. Maybe you want a better promotion. Maybe you want to take a better vacation. Maybe you want more money. Maybe you want to save more money. Maybe you want to get rid of all the loans that you have right now. Or maybe you want to provide a better lifestyle, your better education for your kids, or maybe more greater house for your family. Whatever you want. One of the reasons most people never get that is because they have a faulty money story in their head. What I mean by that is in their childhood time, they were taught that money is bad, money doesn't make happy, money is a bad thing. For money you have to give up your soul. All these bullshit, bad fucking stories that society programs you with about money. You carry them. Guess what? I carried them as well because I came from a middle class family. At the same time, I was born and brought up in a small town called Chiliguri, where my parents paid 289 rupees per year for my school tuition. And because of those stories, you have subconscious blocks in your mind. So when you go out there asking for that promotion to the boss, you think, oh my God, I shouldn't be asking for promotion because money is a bad thing. Or when you're going out there buying that car, you think, no, I shouldn't spend money because, oh my God, I have to save a lot of money. No, I will not give any money to anybody. That's the thing. Your money story is stopping you. But what if there is a possibility? What if you attract money? What if you get paid money in multiple times than you're being paid right now if you just add more value? What if financial freedom is actually easy for you if you know the formula? See, that's what you have to understand. You have to shift your money story, and once you understand that money is not about scarcity, it's in abundance, you will see, oh my God, that's right. This light came from money. This TV, this station, the cars, the road, the lights, the TVs, the everything, the books came from. With the exchange of money, you understand that money is in abundance. There is no shortage of money. And that's when you change your story in your head. That's when you have more abundance. That's when you get the promotion. That's when you get the clients. That's when you make more money. You get rid of all the loans that you have in your life right now, so you can finally have the peace of mind, the happiness, and the fulfillment. I want that for you. See, I know money is not everything, but I'll tell you one thing. Money is something. Money gives us choices, and with that choices, we can make better choices in our life. And it's your responsibility to get what you deserve in your life by changing your money story. That's my tip for you right now. Bishal Sarkar here, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection. It's all about connection.
I'm a man on a mission.